Okay guys, in honor of the 50 subscribers since the last video, I will be singing Let It Go. The snow blows white on the mountainside, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, but fears once control me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. And here I'll stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Okay, guys, sorry I kind of broke up a little bit there and I kind of scratched off. It's because I'm not really good at high parts, so sorry, but I had a lot of fun, so bye.